Wait.
What's this?
This is the hairdo that Nina Kay did for me. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you, Nina. Gonna get it all the way around. How many ponytails do I have, Nina? I have 6 ponytails? Oh my goodness, I've never had 6 ponytails before. 6? 6 ponytails.
Oh, look at you.
Can you say hi?
Who is
that
this?
A heart?
What's your name? What's your
It's my dress.
What's your dress? What's your name? What's your name? Olivia. And who is this?
Nina.
That's Nina. And who is this? Who? Madeline, I heard her. And Madeline's got a long tongue. And who is this? Who is this?
Who is this? Olivia, who is this? Who is this? Okay.
Lauren. And
Who's that?
all of them.
Who is that?
Who am I? Who am I? Huh?
John.
All right.
And who
All
am
right.
Yes. Yes.
Have you gotten a picture of her hair?
I did.